Chronicle weekly sports review. My name is Oladimeji Adoye. You can also call me Osnif. To let you know, sports resumes this week. That is club football resumes this week, as we'll be concluding, or rather, the international break will be concluded this week. This is to let you know that one of the biggest shots in the European football will be in the English Premier League. That is when Arsenal travel away to Tottenham Hotspur at the White Hart Lane Stadium. Yesterday, it was confirmed by Odegaard's national team coach that Martin Odegaard, that is the Arsenal captain, has sustained an injury, and it seems that is a serious injury as things stand now. Although Arsenal are yet to release a statement on that, but Odegaard could be a doubt for that not long done derby. As we all know, Arsenal is yet to lose a game this season. Liverpool also is yet to lose a game, and Manchester City are also yet to lose a game in the English Premier League. They are the top three clubs currently to watch out for the Premier League title this season. Now, moving on to Chelsea, there has been a lot of tussle between ownership in Chelsea. We have Claire Lake and to the Bueni. There have been a lot of confusions on the ownership of the club, because as things stands now, both of the parties are trying to see how they could buy out each other to fully own the club. But there has been some disagreements within the ownership currently as it stands now. So aside from Chelsea not performing very well in the club and football activities as it stands now, there are also issues within the ownership. Now let's digress a little bit to Liverpool. Mohamed Salah and of course the Virgil van Dijk, that is the captain of the club, are set to sign a new contract for Liverpool because they are currently closing to ending their current contract with the club. And of course, the new manager and Slot has said that the club is in a fine shape and they are ready to go and they are ready to contend for the title. And of course, you know, he has been nominated for the Premier League Manager of the Month for August in his first season in charge. Moving to Manchester United, there are no more latest in Manchester United, but just like we have been informed last week, the owner of the club and the big top runners of the club have said that the club are currently behind the manager. Regardless of what result he may be bringing forth, there is no any plan to sack or to cut ties with Erik ten Hag. Erik ten Hag lost massively to Liverpool last week by 3-0 at Old Trafford. But the club has come out and said that they will always back the manager, who is currently under fire from most of the fans, to be sacked. Now let's move to the Super Eagles, who will be in action later today. The Super Eagles will play in the second group game for the AFCON 2025 qualifiers. They will be playing against Rwanda at Kigali. Just to let you know that in the first game, they beat Benin Republic by 3-0, in which Ademola Lookman scored twice in that game, and Victor Osimhen, who was subbed in the second half for Victor Boniface, struck another goal, which gives Nigeria the 3 lead at Uyo in Nigeria. Now, just to let you know, Victor Osimhen did not start the game because there has been a lot of controversy around his transfer. At the beginning of his summer transfer, Victor Osimhen was linked to PSG, and there were some disagreements. The deal fell off. And after then, there was arrangement that he will be moving to Chelsea in London, but due to the club and Victor Osimhen not being able to stand on an agreement about his salary, the Nigerian international could not move to Chelsea on the last day of the transfer. Then he was supposed to go to Al Ahly in the Saudi Arabian club, which also fell down because Victor Osimhen was not giving a go-ahead. And as at that time, the club has already go for Ivan Toney, the English forward, who already signed a contract with the Saudi Arabian outfit. So as it stands now, finally, Victor Osimhen has joined Galatasaray. But he is still open to move by January, possibly could be going to Chelsea if both of them agrees on a deal. And to talk about Ademola Lookman, who has been the only African to be shortlisted in the 30-man Ballon d'Or list for 2024. Ademola Lookman has been brilliant this season, having 17 goals contribution for Atlanta in Italy and scoring 3 goals in the African Cup of Nations that was just completed in January in Ivory Coast. As we stand to let you know that Ademola Lookman is the favourite for the African Footballer of the Year. Last year, Victor Osimhen was the only Nigerian included in the 30-man list, and he went on to win the prestigious award. And this year, it is Ademola Lookman who is on the front runner for the African Footballer of the Year award. In the second group stage game for the AFCON qualifiers, Nigeria will lock arms with Rwanda by 2 p.m. today. And if you go through all our platforms, that is Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, you can always go there to make your predictions. We have an offer for you. Do not forget, comment, share, and make your prediction. Just go and visit all our social media handle there. The match has been posted for your prediction. Nigeria will take on Rwanda. As it stands now on the log, Nigerian leads by 3 points after beating Benin Republic. And after the game today, we'll be playing Libya. If Nigeria could survive today and just have a draw against Libya, Nigeria will be confirmed to have qualified for the 2025 Moroccan African Cup of Nations. We should not forget the under-20 Women's World Cup in the coming days. So also try and follow up with some of these latest news about Nigeria. And of course, when you want to get some of this news, you can also log on to our official pages. We have you covered. Thank you very much for joining us. We look forward to seeing you this time next week.
Nike. Just do it.